Welcome back everyone. Today we are diving into the world of cozy handmade holiday craft. In this video we will be creating beautiful X-Mex decoration using two of most versatile and budget-friendly fabrics.
Of cozy
In this
handmade
video we
holiday
show you
craft.
the very
In this
beautiful
video, we will be
ideas
creating
of
beautiful
budget-friendly
decorations
felt
using two of
and
the most
fleece
versatile and
fabrics,
budget-friendly
budget-friendly
fabric,
ornaments.
felt and fleece.
These materials are soft,
easy
these
to
cut
perfect
and
for
perfect
giving
for
your
giving
home that
your
warm
home that
handmade
warm
holiday
handmade
touch.
holiday
Whether
touch.
you are
Whether
decorating
you
your
are
tree,
decorating your
making
tree,
gifts for loved ones,
making gifts
or
for
just
loved ones,
enjoying a festive craft
or
day,
just
this
enjoying a
tutorial is
festival
filled
craft
with
day.
ideas that are
This
simple,
tutorial
affordable,
is
and
filled
fun for
with
all
ideas
ages.
that are simple,
Let's start
affordable,
with
and
felt
fun for
ornaments.
all ages.
Felt is one of the easiest
Let's
fabric
start with felt
to
ornaments.
work
Felt
with
is one of the
because it
easiest
doesn't
fabric
fray.
to work with.
Begin by
Fleece
choosing festive colors red,
and fleece
green,
also
white,
with because
and
it
glittery
doesn't fray.
gold or silver felt sheets.
Begin by choosing
Cut
festive
out
colors
shapes like
red,
stars,
green,
hearts, Christmas, X-mix trees,
white,
stockings,
and
or even little
glittery
gingerbread. To add
gold
dimension,
or
you can layer
silver
two pieces
felt
of felt
sheets.
and lightly
Cut
stuff
out
them with
shapes
cotton
like
or
stars,
fabric
hearts,
scraps.
X-Mex trees, stockings,
Stitch around the
or even
edges
little
with embroidery
gingerbread
thread
men.
or
To
simply
add
glue them together.
dimensions,
If you
you can
prefer,
layer two
no
pieces
sew
of felt
crafts.
and lightly
Decorate
stuff
your
them
ornaments
with
with
cotton
buttons,
or fabric
sequins,
scraps.
or ribbon. Punch a small hole
Stitch around the
at the
edges
top
with embroidery
and a
thread
loop
or
of
simply
thread.
glue them together.
If
And
you
you have
prefer,
got a
no
charming
sew handmade
craft.
ornaments ready for the tree.
Decorate your ornaments
You can
with
make it at
buttons,
home and
beads,
you can
sequins, or
craft
ribbon.
with your
Punch
children,
a
and
small
these time
hole
gonna be
at the
memories
top
and a beautiful
and
time
loop of thread,
for
and you have
everyone.
got a charming
It's gonna
handmade
be
ornaments.
and I think you are really love to do that because crafting has no limits. Now let's talk about fleece garland. Let's create a fleece garland. Fleece is soft, cozy, and very forgiving, making it ideal for festive decoration. Cut strips of fleece in holiday colors, maybe red and green and red and white for a candy can theme. Tie each strip around a long piece of twine or ribbon. Keep adding strips until you have a fluffy full garland. This garland can be draped over your mantle, around your banister, or even along the Xmas tree. If you want to get extra creative, add small felt shapes because the fleece is stripped like stars, bells, or snowflakes. Now let's talk about the mini stocking. These are affordable, easy to make, and perfect for gifting small trees. Trace a stocking shape onto felt or fleece. Cut two identical pieces and either sew or glue around the edges. Leave the top open so you can slip in candies, chocolates, or small gifts. Decorate with ribbon, pom-poms, glitter glue, or cut out felt shapes like snowmen, Santa hats, or candy cans. Hang these mini stockings on your trees or use them as party favors during your holiday gathering. Every tree needs a star, right? Here's how to make a simple felt star topper. Cut out two large star shapes from stiff felt or double layered fleece. Decorate with sequins, metallic thread, or glitter fabric paint to make it sparkle. Glue or sew the two pieces together, leaving a small pocket at the bottom where you can slide in a cardboard tube or stick. This will make it easy to attach to the top of your children's tree. It's lightweight, charming, and adds a handmade touch to your holiday centerpiece. And there you have it, your four festival projects made with felt and fleece that will bring warmth and creativity to your Xmas celebration. What is, these crafts are budget friendly, eco friendly, and customizable for your own style. You can get the whole family involved, making this not just a crafting session but a holiday memory in itself. So gather your material, put on your favorite X-Mix music and start creating magic in your hands. With your hands. If you enjoyed these ideas, don't forget to like, subscribe and share this video with friends who love DIY holiday projects. Wishing you a cozy, creative and very happy festival. If you like the design,